Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business startup pitch visual using RGB in Photoshop. Startup pitches need strong first impressions. RGB refinement enhances clarity and emotion. Colors support innovation and trust. Text remains readable. Visual balance keeps focus on ideas. RGB helps unify elements across slides. The pitch visual now feels confident and modern. It supports storytelling and persuasion. The final design strengthens investor communication. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.